What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. I'm Daryl with Auto Dreams. Welcome to the channel, or welcome back. I'm up early on a Sunday. It's a little after 6 a.m. But today is a special day. I get to do 3 things I enjoy doing. 1 is bringing new content to you. 2 is being around exotic cars. And 3 is flying a drone. So today is a special day, like I said. There's an invite-only track day at a track south of Houston. So I'm bringing out the GoPro, bringing out the DJI Mavic Pro Platinum drone. It's gonna be a fun day, guys. I'm about to get everything packed up, got about an hour drive. Special thanks to my boy Tony with TheCarCulture for putting together this track day. I'm gonna put his Instagram page, link in the description. And so we're gonna get everything going and we're gonna hit the road and we'll see you when we get there. Okay, at the track, waiting for people to arrive. It's gonna be a hot day. I think it's gonna be around 94 degrees. So I came prepared. Gonna be out here looking like Indiana Jones and the Raiders of the Lost Ark. All right, so I'm here with Anthony of TheCarCulture. I'm gonna put his Instagram link in the description below. So Anthony, it's gonna be a great day.
Certainly, it's a beautiful day out here at MSR. Of course, it's Texas, so it's already kind of hot. But
Yes,
there's not too many members here at the track, so it's kind of just almost like a day to ourselves. We got about 25 cars here going to get on track. Half have raced on track before, half haven't. But the real goal today is just to have a lot of fun, and you know, it was in the title, just to kind of get a track experience of it all, see what it's like to push your car a little bit. But you know, we're not looking to set any records, just have a lot of fun.
That's right. So where did you first find your passion for cars and events like this?
I found out on accident through my high school. We hosted a car show that was meant to benefit like my school club. I had an automotive club, and it was meant to benefit that, and it just kind of went rogue after that because we had a very successful show that we hosted for a charity, and it just got out of hand, and that's what it is today. We still host car shows 3 or 4 years later. We still keep a charity aspect involved, and we do things like this now. We do little track experiences, we do different things with people who've been around with us for a while, and overall just enjoy doing car enthusiast stuff.
Well, I can tell you, you put on amazing events, and let's get this day going.
Certainly.
Thank you.
Thank you.